In this video, I will be showing you how to make whiteboard animation. First, you need to go to Google Play Store. Kindly search for BENIME application, click open. As you can see here, there is an import project and this is what it looks like. So all you have to do is to click the plus icon, click create movie, but first you need to name your movie. For example, whiteboard animation tutorial. Then once done, all you have to do is to click create movie. Now this is what it looks like and you are feel free to do anything in this page. The nice thing about this application is you can pick a lot of different kinds of image and object. Gender casual male, corporate female, and if you slide to the right, male, occupation, female occupation, child, senior, and a lot of things. Well, if you want to see more options, you need to buy pro version. We have also here social media challenge, finance, shapes. There are lots of topics, images, and objects here, and all you have to do is to click what's best for you. And then, yes, we have also vegetables, furniture, electronics, buildings, sports, vacation. Now, let's start a little bit of animation here. All you have to do is click choose hand and then after that type what you want to insert. For example, how to make whiteboard animation tutorial and then click this one. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Select a color that's best for it. So I'm going to click or pick the yellow color, click select. Now this is the output. So if you're not satisfied with the output, click the color again, select any other color and click select. So what the animation looks like. For example, this one. This is the output of making whiteboard animation using this BENIME application. And once you're satisfied, all you have to do is to click this one, save here. So save as project, yes, and then it will automatically save in your gallery. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.